I'd like to next introduce Sergeant Egan, who's going to talk about our new texting law that is now in effect. So he will give us a quick briefing on that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Mayor, council members, and the city. I'm sorry. Can you hear me now? I'll start over again. Mayor, council members, city citizens, the electronic device ordinance has been passed. We've started our educational awareness portion of it. There are several radio spots that El Dorado broadcasters have paid for. I'm sorry, let me back up. Fisher Automotive paid for 3 months worth of advertisements on making everyone aware. So El Dorado broadcasters matched their the amount of radio time. So as an example, if they bought 200 spots, El Dorado gave them an additional 200 spots. So for 3 months, Fisher Automotive put enough money up to put the awareness out there. El Dorado matched it for all 3 stations. And there are 4 different commercials, we'll say, where they have different people reading the scripts to make everybody aware out there. In that same sense, the Yuma Lodge of the Fraternal Order of Police also put money down to put additional radio spots out there for 2 months. El Dorado, again, matching what the FOP put down. So if you're listening to their radio stations, KTTI, K-Blue, and the other one that I can't remember right now, hopefully you'll be able to hear it. We have at least one sample of my involvement in the radio commercials. But I think it's an awesome example of how private industry jumped all over helping the city out with trying to make the community better and safer out there on the streets. So I just wanted to say real quick that how much I appreciate what they've done to try and help spread the word on this. I think it's an awesome public and partnership. I can't talk tonight. I apologize.
Thank you, Sergeant. Do you want to clarify at what point of enforcement we are with this ordinance?
We are not in the you're going to get a ticket yet part of the enforcement. Still the warnings and education part of it. We still have a lot to do on educating everybody.
Thank you very much.
Mayor, I have a question.
Councilmember Wright?
Yes. When this is enforced and when tickets are issued, with this kind of citation or violation, is this eligible for someone to go to driver's school as well and participate in the driving school to get it expunged?
I believe it is not, because there's no points assessed to your driver's license. I think that's the caveat that would allow somebody to take driving school or not. The points assessed to your license, I do not believe that it is. I'm not 100% sure, and I will truly check it out and get you a correct answer.
Oh, okay. I want to ask another question there?
Okay.
So there's no points on the violation, right?
Correct. No points are assessed to your driver's record if you're cited for this.
Okay.
Thank you, Sergeant. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
We are on to the
Mr. Mayor,
I'm sorry.
Could we go ahead and play the radio clip?
Yes,
Sorry.
I'm sorry. That's correct.
It's time to go hands-free, Yuma.
Reports show that cell phone use while driving leads to 1.6 million crashes each year. This is Sergeant Egan with the Yuma Police Department. Did you know there's a new hands-free ordinance in Yuma? Which means no driver may use a handheld device to text, talk, or email while driving their vehicle. All communication must be hands-free, such as Bluetooth, dash-mounted phone holder, or the hands-free option in your car. Don't risk it.
This message brought to you by Fisher Automotive. Because we care. Go hands-free. It's time to go hands-free, Yuma.
Texting while driving is 6 times more likely to cause an accident than driving drunk. This is Sergeant Egan with the Yuma Police Department. Did you know there's a new hands-free ordinance in Yuma? Which means no driver may use a handheld device to text, talk, or email while driving their vehicle. All communication must be hands-free, such as Bluetooth, dash-mounted phone holder, or the hands-free option in your car. Don't risk it.
This message brought to you by Fisher Automotive. Because we care. Go hands-free.
Thank you. Those are well done. So if anyone has any further questions, you can either see the police department section of the City of Yuma website or call the numbers for the non-emergency numbers for the police department, and they'd be more than happy to talk to you about this ordinance.